Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Today we are combining two delicious dishes in one recipe. Gyoza, Japanese pot stickers, and Japanese style kimchi hot pot. This one pot dish is so quick and easy to make. You can make it just for yourself, or you can double or triple the portion to make it for a large crowd. Now let's get started. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Japanese recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. またね!